Hello kids! Let's learn some colors. Light green color. Black color. White color. Dark green color. Orange color. Red color. Sky blue color. Blue color. Pink color. Light pink color. Yellow color. Purple color. Brown color. Sea green color. Now we learn ABC. Sky blue color. A for apple. Dark green color. B for bat. Yellow color. C for cat. Brown color. D for dog. Light green color. E for elephant. Red color. F for frog. Pink color. G for glass. H for head. I for igloo. J for jug. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for penguin. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for star. T for train. U for unicorn. V for violin. W for wrist. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra.
Wow!
Let's revise. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.